For the guys who just woke up today, you're next.
Yeah.
If Greg Doss just woke up today and realized this information, Greg Doss would shepherd the case and
Shepherdize everything, meaning making sure that what you're looking at is still good law, making
mhm.
it proper. And right there, what you see right there, the AI overview, federal courts rarely hear domestic relations cases because the Constitution does not grant them jurisdiction over family law matters. However, there are some exceptions, including, they'll show you the exceptions.
Ouch. Thank you, brother Doss.
I don't think me.
Hey, I'm telling you, you deserve, hey, you deserve praise for this. I promise you. I know it sounds crazy to you, but I'm telling you.
I don't like.
I've been studying the Constitution for no reason for like 10
No,
months.
no, 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 no. Never say that. No.
Not no reason. I'm glad I know the information and I'm glad I got into it. But I mean, I really been scrutinizing the Constitution. You know, it's been a great hobby, let's say. You know what I mean? Oh man.
And here are these other ones I wanted to show people commonly known as a domestic relations exception. The United States Supreme Court's broad disclaimer of federal power over family law matters symbolizes the inherent division of power fundamental to a dual sovereignty. See that federal courts do not have jurisdiction over cases involving domestic relations if they do not involve seeking the granting or modification of a divorce or alimony decree. And that's dicta. That doesn't really matter. That's coming from some case somewhere. The courts are going to tell you. So we can do this other stuff I have pulled up later on, but you know, I always want to check to see the new rule, especially for your state. And I do this stuff ad nauseum, but I really wish that the brother would love. He's a smaller firm, but we did some family law stuff. I think we'd be all right. But I understand that some of that stuff is sometimes difficult to do. Man, I thought I stopped sharing. Y'all see it? Y'all see me, right?
Yeah.
So there it is, man. Anybody got any
Jay, this is all making sense to you now?
Oh, that's John. I
No,
didn't
thank God.
that's
Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, most of it is.
Well, I'm expecting you to coach me now if I don't understand something.
I mean, I'm not quite there yet and well versed, but I'm getting there.
Hey, man.
You know what's funny, Greg? I was talking to my wife last night. I was watching something on
watching
parts,
fake
the
Greg
components.
Maddox throw them damn ball, them pitches that he can make.
I was watching. I was watching all the parts in an engine, and I was telling my wife, I'm sitting there, I'm like, you know, it really pisses me off that I can sit here and I can watch this video and I can understand everything they're saying about I'm talking about an engine in a car, and I can 98% of what they said, I know what it's for, what it means. That's what I want to, I want to be that proficient on this kind of stuff, and I don't know what it's gonna take, but I'm willing to find out, because I sit there and I start looking at stuff and it just, some of the stuff is I don't even know what they're trying to say here, and some of the word they use and all that. But it sounds like this. I was again
get a dictionary.
Go ahead.
I would suggest everybody get a dictionary and and a thesaurus, but you can actually use a computer, and it takes a level of humility, because some people used to ask me, man, how did you learn so much? I said, well, the first thing is I was willing to admit what I didn't know. There's a trend. Sometimes I'm a teacher, but a lot of times I'm the student.